Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cindy. So this video is going to be basically on 2+. So we are going to be starting off by going to the frequency. So this is to show you that this pattern is, I'll be working based on what the frequency gives to me. So just look at this. I'll be using the colors blue. 2+ blue will make it in the next outcome. So if this is your first time of stopping by, I'd like to say a very big thank you. This is Cindy Virtual. Please do us well to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it. So now I've placed my first bet that 2+ blue will make it in the next outcome. So I'm very confident about this strategy. It is a unique strategy that you can use anytime. So just watch. You see, and that's our first way. So I'll be sticking to the same color. So watch, 2+ blue will make it also in the next outcome. So if you're familiar with our channel, you know that we like staking everything for you to know the level of our confidence. So just watch. Let's wait for the outcome. Just wait for it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You see? And that's a win, people. So I'm still going to proceed with this color. So I'm continuing with the 2+ blue to go ahead. So that doesn't mean there are other signals active. There are no other signals active. Others are active, but this is the pattern I'm working with. So if I were to work with another type of formula, I'll be using other colors, you get. So if you look at the green would have been active if I were to make use of the pattern that would have given me the green. So down to the red is not inactive. That's because it has the lower frequency working with this pattern. So the most active pattern here is the dominant color pattern. That is why I'm making use of it. So watch. It's definitely going to be it. You see? And that's a win, people. So it goes on and on and on and on. So continuing, I'll be placing 2+ again. So look at that. You see? So the red reduced from 51 to 50. So we are going to still stick up to that one. But then there are so many patterns here. It could come out as 2+ blue and 2+ red. Like 2+ blue and red are the two dominant colors that are supposed to come out, you get. So I hope I make it on time to stake for the two. So I don't think I can. 2+ red and 2+ blue. I wanted to stake for this and stake for that, but it's not going to be possible. Watch. Yes, you see. So this the pattern is becoming active. So I just merged two patterns and I got a signal that it is going to be 2+ red and it's going to be 2+ blue. So what we are paying attention to is the dominant pattern. So watch now. The next game, I'm also going to be using these two combos, 2+ blue and 2+ red. So watch. I'll be using the 2+ red. Just watch. I just emptied my account just to show you that I'm very confident about this game. It is very effective and it's very accurate. You can WhatsApp the number on your screen to get more information on this pattern. It is very accurate, and you see, that's a win. So this is a very unique formula that you can work with anytime. Don't forget to WhatsApp the number on the screen, and you can also like this video, share it. Thank you for watching. That's all for this video. Bye.